In front of me is Honor View 20 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off autocorrection. Begin by opening settings and scrolling all the way down to access system and updates. Then select language and input, SwiftKey keyboard and typing. Finally, after clicking on typing and autocorrect, you can click on this switcher next to autocorrect feature to switch it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!